Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Christina Silitonga. This time, this video I made it really special for me, and I would like you enjoy it. Okay, before we doing our unboxing, this is Handbags Lover. Then I made it special for myself. I saved this money for 1 year. So even though I'm not working in Germany, this bag I wish already quite a long time, and I made commitment to save some of my money from my side income that I'm working as well from Indonesia, from Bali. So I have side income by property business. So this is really special because yeah, I deserve it. How is it I get it? This bag is pure from my side income. I would like you enjoy this video because I made it special for me, and this present I dedicate to myself, and I just bought it in Paris. Before we continue, I would like to special clip how is my shopping experience in Coco Chanel. We are in
Oh, congratulations! Thank you, Kami. This is a beautiful bag. Finally, I make my mind, and you help me so much.
Thank you so much. I hope you like your experience in Chanel.
Yes, I love it. I love it. I love it. And I cannot wait to open to make unboxing box like that. Thank you. Oh my god, this.
Do you have WhatsApp?
Yeah, I have WhatsApp. I have everything. No. And then we can talk. Goodbye, Coco Chanel. That's our shopping for my birthday.
Ta-da! Hi! This is the handbag. So I would like to say to you, this bag, especially for the luxury handbag, is Coco Chanel. Is also not only we talk about not only about the handbag, it's also about your investment. So if you like it is same like gold, you invest your money in gold, you have to keep it the receipt. So when you want to sell it again, so here we go. Yeah, finally. So let's see. I will put it this way. Okay. So this is so beautiful. Terlalu cantik untuk dirusak ya. Okay, let's do it. Okay. Tada. Tada. Okay. Wow. Oke, jadi ada tulisannya. Kita keluarkan. Upsi. Jangan geser. So, sebelum kita ke tasnya, dust bag for this bag, because this is not the classic one. This bag is special edition, the limited edition. For my wallet on chain, the dust bag is made by different materials. So it's sweat, yeah, leather. But this one is by fabric. So look at this, by cotton. And this is the books, how to maintain, manual books, the maintains, and this is how you have to clean your bag with these things. So you need. So we start to unboxing my first handbag, Coco Chanel. So that's so amazing. Jadi tas ini, over on the top of this handle, that's written Rue Cambon, Paris. This is the headquarters of the Coco Chanel handbags, the most popular. In Rue Cambon is so famous with the staircase that you can experience how is the luxury Coco Chanel fashion show over there. So maybe the next trip I will go there. This is how is the bag. Look like on the bag with these things. So the design is look like classic, but this is not the classic part. And I like with the change for crossbody bag. And the handle, that it can be handled like this. The holder, the handle of the bag, really cute. And this is how is the lock. So in front is the logo with the CC. That's the brand of the brand of Coco Chanel. How it look like? Yeah. So this is the tissue with the Coco Chanel. Oh, this tissue too. So how it look like here? So I prefer this bag, this calfskin, because I have 3 kids. So for me, it's safety to use it. I have to be not worried. Okay, how is it inside? There is 3 compartments, 1 and 2, and in the middle, it is brick material. How is the lining? And Coco Chanel made in France. And this is how the zipper. I will show you how is the zipper channel. And this is the authentic. This is the authentic card. Okay. So I keep it inside, so I will not lose it. If you see the authentic card, it must be the same serial number with what it is for your bag. So inside, and this is connected, so it can be, this can be tracking 27, 21, 29. So exactly the same. So this is the how you can see inside of this bag. So that's it. This is the beautiful bag. I love this bag. How I decided. So I will put the video when I bought this bag in Avenue Montaigne Paris. So I have a couple of options, but finally I decided this bag because the classic bag a bit expensive. So it's about the different cost is about 1,000 euro.
This one is about 3,800, and this is 4,250, and this one 4,800. And this is for my birthday present.
Jeder hebt die Hand hoch. Jeder hebt die Hand hoch. Wir
You want
haben
that?
einmal aussuchen. Das hier. Wer mag die?
Ich mag diese.
Wer mag diese?
Ich.
Ich mag die auch.
Ich mag diese.
And the beautiful lady helped me and said that this bag is limited edition, but the classic bag you can buy every time. So it's available, but this bag it could be next year. It's not available anymore. That's one of my consideration. The reason.
Your mom is a model.
Happy.
Yeah, this is heavy like the
Not heavy, happy.
happy. Okay. Look at this stuff.
So thank you for watching for this unboxing my birthday present. I hope you enjoy. See you on the next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Next video will be coming soon. Handbags lover. Mwah.